Hi, our beautiful fashion lovers. It's been a wonderful day on our YouTube channel. I welcome you all to another beautiful and elegant episode on our YouTube channel. Hope you're all good and hope you're all staying safe. Today, I would like to show you lovely and elegant peplum skirt and blouse design that are just trending right now, which I won't want you to miss. So I'll be leaving you to watch all this beautiful and amazing collection to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're just joining for the first time, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new video, you'll be the first to get the updates. Sit back and watch this beautiful and gorgeous style to the end. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you've seen one lovely and latest trending peplum skirt and blouse design that you love to add to your wardrobe. So these are elegant and latest style that you can just put it on so that you have a lovely and beautiful look. So if you are new here, I welcome you to our YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel we bring you latest updates on African fashion dresses. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new video, you'll be the first to get the update. So I'll be glad if you all join me on next episode. Have a beautiful and lovely time. Bye for now.